So what are you making today, babe?
Something that I make a lot, but I usually make it with bone in, but you can do it with bone out. And it's just basically a sheet pan with chicken, marinades, and potatoes.
Yum.
I don't like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up.
We're in a temperature switcher.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back in.
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
These on here. I know these are really big, y'all. That's what she said. Okay. We're gonna do the marinade. That was 1/8 cup. As far as you might think about it. That backwards, you go, always get your salt first, or else you're gonna get all the seasonings in it. That'll be fine.
So why you want your chicken fully defrosted before you do this?
Okay. Well, for one, it's not gonna marinate correctly. It's not gonna cook correctly. Believe me, I've done frozen chicken before. It's a long process to get it moist. It wants to dry out. I unthaw. And then you just kind of flip around. Gotta get all that yummies on there. You don't want the garlic to be setting on top like that will burn. So you kind of want a little bit up there. But if it sets down in the bottom, it creates a lot more flavor. So it doesn't just sit there and burn on top of your chicken.
That cooks in from the bottom.
Yeah, I actually have a lot of my chicken leg quarters that you only put it on the bottom so it doesn't burn on top of your skin.
Very popular recipes.
Yep.
Now, how long do you want them to marinate for?
At least 30 minutes. At least. Okay. So I'm going to cut these up to, well, these are like kind of what you would call a medium size. So I'm going to cut these up into 4s because those are really big chicken breasts. And I want them to cook at the same time. Not, the chicken's done before the potatoes and the potatoes are done before the chicken. So we're just going to do this. It's kind of like a pot roast, almost like. This one is actually slightly bigger, so I'm going to cut it like this. That way they're close to the same size. Okay.
And low on garlic.
I know we have a whole nother jar, babe. I'm never low on garlic. You haven't noticed about my recipes. Since we've already put a lot of marinade in there, I'm lightly marinating these. Lightly. Now we're going to mix this up. Oh gosh, this is going to hurt my side.
Want me to do it?
I think I can do it. You don't have to beat your potatoes up. So everything's been marinating for about 30 minutes. You can do it longer if you want, but you don't need to. Only if you want to. Just kind of move them around the chicken. There. That way they all get cooked. Seasoning. Let's see. Ooh, they're getting there. Ooh, almost done. Yep. Oh yeah. You don't hear it sizzling. Let me check. Oh yeah, they're done.
Y'all stay tuned.
These are not gonna make it. No, we have to get something that's not gonna burn my hands.
That's why you just double up.
Yeah.